Today's video demonstrates how to efficiently create exploded views in Autodesk Inventor Professional. Exploded views are crucial for showcasing assemblies in an easily understandable way, making them valuable for technical drawings and documentation. Let's begin by opening an assembly file in Inventor. We'll use this model to showcase the process of creating an exploded view. It's important to suppress any constraints in the assembly before creating an exploded view. This allows for independent movement of components during the explosion process. Within DesignX, locate the 2D Drawing panel. Click on the Axis Auto Exploded button and adjust the explode distance to achieve the desired separation between components. With the exploded view created in the assembly, proceed to create a new drawing file. In the new drawing, insert a base view of the exploded assembly. This view will reflect the exploded state you created in the assembly model. Now, you can enhance your drawing by adding annotations, dimensions, and other essential details using Inventor's drawing tools. This will further improve clarity and communication with your audience. You've successfully created an exploded view in Inventor and incorporated it into a clear and informative drawing. Remember to explore Inventor's various explode options and drawing tools to tailor your exploded views to your specific needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.